Tunnel discovered at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Facility.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A massive police investigation is now ongoing at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center, formerly known as the General Penitentiary or GP, in downtown Kingston, following the discovery of a tunnel at the facility. Information is that the passage was found at the maximum security facility during an operation that was carried out by a joint police military team on Friday. There has been no reports of any arrest so far, but senior officials from the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, said that activities at the facility were brought to a crawl as members of the security forces swooped down on the premises to carry out the investigation. Reports are that a number of individuals from the facility are being questioned at this time. The Tower Street Adult Correctional Center was built to accommodate 650 male inmates, but it has had over 1,700 on many occasions.
I'm a bad friend them out there, let's go on all 100 you know. Yeah, that people alive to them come on road in the dog. And nobody go like saying no food and everything. One dog them a live up on a whole thing the dog. Enjoy on yourself virgin. You don't want to know when you apply for me there right now, because you see the nice in my friend. Is it? I'm begging you, my friend, them, just keep your life virgin. Keep far from out of trouble, make some money, enjoy yourself virgin. You hear that? Tell them, my friend, I say rough. You hear that, man, if you just that day, I go and fight you, get and see him. You hear that? And I go and stand up on them foot, brother. And enough man, just come see me and them mad. You hear that? And you not even there if you like hear it. So dog, go on the man and just hold it. You hear that, dog? Go and live some happy life and go and party and go and make some money, dog. Go and work and everything enough for the dog. Just to stay far from around and say, you see me? Come here, tell the dog, go and mad, my friend, man. You hear that?
You know, it's teach them the #1 intellectual blogging panel on the YouTube channel.
So these days, everybody a bad man, everybody a killer, you understand? Nobody no fear nothing, nobody no fear police, nobody no fear the court system, nobody no fear prison, nobody no fear death anymore. Yet still, we are run up and down in a bush a hide from police, or when we are in prison, we are try get out, you understand? So we no value freedom and then we are fight for freedom after that. That don't make no sense, you understand? The youths them for wise up and rise up and open them eyes up and realize that you are going man, that thing ain't not worth it. You know, make no sense. Low the foolishness, low the violence, low bad man business. You understand? Look at work, try do the thing legal. I know it rough more time, but low friend and company. You understand me? I say, you know, worth it, brothers. It's not worth it. When I go on and hold it, man.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.